What on earth is going on with the S&P 500 and the Nasdaq right now? Because it feels like they're getting battered, was Moss's question. It's a great question. Essentially what is going on right now is there is a fear of an ongoing and deeper and longer lasting US recession. Depending on which markers you look at, they either are or are not in a recession right now, or are at risk of, but maybe aren't quite yet. Definitions vary, but essentially there is a risk that because the Fed have held interest rates high for too long, depending on who you ask, that it could drive the US into a longer, deeper recession. And this has been indicated by jobs reports and unemployment numbers coming in and looking very grim. In addition to that, the Japanese bank increased interest rates for the first time in a really, really long time, something they don't ever really do. And that has resulted in a lot of investors who borrow the Japanese currency to invest within the US because of the low interest rates in Japan, having to sell their positions in the US markets, which has driven the selling frenzy further. That's why the markets are down right now. But in the long term, they were only down around 5 or 6%. In the short term, they're down around 5 or 6%. If you zoom out, and you look at the last 2, 5, 10 years, they're up like 175 to 300% for those same ETFs. So zoom out, keep buying, especially while prices are low.